Okay, I just like to show how a proper service manual of a motorcycle from the 90s it was. Because nowadays those are shit. There's nothing on it. Now I'm gonna show you how this is. I mean, fucking valve adjustments, like all of it. Like seriously guys, like seriously. Now I'm gonna show you here. They show you how to literally disassemble and reassemble completely a 4-inline 937cc motorcycle with 135 HP. It's insane. Like nowadays they tell you nothing about. Like seriously, I mean, if you have some experience, you should be experienced to do this, definitely. But if you have some experience, you can seriously unbuild and rebuild completely the motorcycle. Like seriously. It's about 100 pages, like even more. Suspension. They tell you everything. Everything. And this used to be normal back in the days. Normal. Fucking just normal. Nowadays they tell you nothing. Like, just look at this. They look at fucking this. Carburetor.